Reaper Flight, this is Oracle. I have you on my scope bearing 090 at 20 miles. No enemy contacts in your airspace at this time. Reaper Flight copies. No threat. Stand by for mission details from flight ops. Your first set of targets consists of a series of rebel fuel and vehicle depots. They provide crucial logistical support for the people of God's army. Destroying them will cripple rebel operations in the region. Do you copy, Reaper Flight? We reach at Lima Charlie. We need to do more than bomb some rebel camps, Reaper Lead. We need to hurt these people. Silence General Akuya and shut down his whole operation. Reaper Flight, remember to engage the enemy ground targets with free-fall bombs. Save your missiles for airborne targets. Align the reticle with the ground target and release the bomb. That'll guarantee a hit. No need for a lecture, Oracle. We know what we're doing. Great job. That's all there is to it, Flight Leader. The rebel depots are now updated on your ERS tag map. Good hunting. We have visual on the depots. Weapons are hot. We're rolling in.
Hey, Casper, why are we using free-fall bombs on these targets anyway? These things are antiques.
Because they're cheap, they're reliable, and they turn multiple targets into one big crater. Got it?
Bombs are not as outdated as you think. They're crude, but very effective. Weapon deployed. Weapon deployed! Good launch, tracking it now.
Good shot.
Weapon lock!
I guess that's that. Control, this is Reaper 3-1. The first objective is in the bag.
That was the last of the depots. Reaper Flight, proceed to the next nav point to start your attack on the rebel camps.
Roger, Oracle. The rebel camps are at 014. Oracle, this is Casper. We've reached the next nav point. I'm seeing buku targets ahead of us.
Roger that, 3-1. You are authorized to destroy all the ground targets outlined on your ERS tag map.
Copy that, Oracle. Rolling in now.
I've got visual on some rebel warehouses. Flight Leader, be advised you can issue orders to your element to maximize combat efficiency. ERS will outline the target you want them to engage on their HUDs.
We're with you, Crenshaw. Just say the word.
Check out those! Nice kill, Captain! Showing clean separation. Target destroyed, Captain. Reaper Flight, be advised. I'm picking up heightened activity in a number of the rebel camps. It looks like they're trying to evacuate high-value assets from the region. We estimate that they'll be out of the combat zone in about 20 minutes. So engage and destroy as many convoys as you can in that time. Ground target destroyed. Showing clean separation. Bomb released. Direct hit. Rebel warehouses destroyed. I'm detecting enemy AAA batteries dead ahead. You're clear to engage.
We're on it. Rolling in now.
Heads up, Reaper Flight. I've got a flight of enemy interceptors bearing down on you at high speed. These guys don't look like amateurs, so watch out.
Copy that, Control. We'll keep our eyes out for the bandits and go after the ground targets.
On target. Rebel training camp destroyed.
Enemy dead ahead. Nailed him. He's finished. Missile, evade!
Missile went for the player's flight leader. Nice one. Good launch. Tracking it now.
Enemy plane shot down.
Crenshaw, you've picked up a radar lock. Enemy missile is going after the countermeasures. You're clear. Showing clean separation.
That's a hit. Look at those fireworks.
Oh, man. I've shot down drones that flew better than this guy.
I'll take sitting ducks over aces any day, Casper.
Oracle, I've got enemy units moving alongside the river. Looks like they're in a hurry. I'm also seeing small transport ships ferrying cargo back and forth across the river. What's the word on these?
Roger that. Targets are valid. You're clear to engage.
Copy that, Oracle. Engaging now.
That's the last of the bandits. Not so fast, Reapers. I've still got bandits on my scopes. This fight isn't over yet.
Thanks, we'll keep our eyes open.
Target neutralized.
This is Reaper 3-1. I've got visual on a large rebel base dead ahead.
That's the Rebel Headquarters 3-1. Engage at will. Got him, Spike! Take him out! Launch confirmed.
Get in, boss. Boss, I'm still seeing targets down by the river. We need to take them out.
Flight leader has a Fox kill. On target. Rebel vehicles destroyed.
Flight leader has a Fox kill. Got your number, boss.
This is Reaper 3-1. The rebel headquarters is out of commission. Say again, the rebel base has been destroyed.
Oracle confirms 3-1. Good shooting.
I can see rebel vehicles on the road, 12 o'clock.
Nice kill, Captain.
Bradshaw, you picked up a hostile. Better get creative. Reaper Flight, be advised. You're 15 minutes from bingo fuel. Say again. You're 15 minutes from having to break off and return to base.
Ground target destroyed.
Looks like a miss. Watch your aim, Crenshaw. That ammo's expensive. Gun range.
Warning.
Target locked. Good hits. Rebel convoy destroyed. On target. Rebel fuel depot destroyed. Fox 2. Targets destroyed. Not even close, flight leader. Try again. Got him, White. Take him out. On target. Rebel vehicles destroyed.
Rebel camp spotted.
This is Reaper 3-2. I've got visual on a rebel weapons factory.
Copy that, 3-2. I'm clear to engage. Take it out. I'm detecting enemy AAA emplacements along your flight path. Take them out.
Roger that. Take care of the AA guns.
Reaper Flight, be advised. I'm only showing 50% of the rebel targets have been destroyed, and we're running out of time. You need to focus on the mission.
Reach, Oracle. We're working on it. Enemy checkpoint in sight.
Weapon locked. Missile away.
Direct hit. Ground target neutralized.
Tally on the rebel garrison at 12 o'clock.
Fox 2.
Perfect shot, Chief. Look at him burn.
Weapon deployed. On target, on target. Ground unit destroyed. Weapon deployed.
Man, that had to hurt.
Showing clean separation. Bomb released. Reaper lead, be advised. I'm showing targets still active in the weapons factory. Re-engage the target. Target locked.
Direct hit on the target. That one's finished.
Oracle, this is Reaper 3-2. I'm seeing about 75% of the rebel targets have been taken out. Can you confirm?
Oracle copies. We're showing good hits on your targets. Keep up the pressure.
We put most of their assets out of commission. The rebels aren't going to mount any large-scale offensive anytime soon.
Weapon locked. Reaper flight, this is Oracle. 10 minutes to bingo fuel. Launch confirmed. Good luck. Fire at will. Got him, Spike. Take him out.
Crenshaw misses. I've got dibs on the next pass.
Oh yeah? I bet you 20 bucks Crenshaw nails it. You hear that, Crenshaw? I've got money riding on this. Don't let me down.
Reaper lead, you must have gotten the enemy's attention. Another flight of interceptors has scrambled and is vectoring on you now. These guys are heavy hitters, so be careful. Target locked. Weapon deployed. Missile impact. Good kill, flight leader.
Warning.
Good luck. Fire at will. That's a hit. Rebel garrison destroyed.
Warning.
Taking heavy fire, boss! Get out of there! Good shot. Target's in gun range.
Weapon locked.
Good shot.
On target. Rebel hangars destroyed. Good launch. Tracking it down.
Enemy straight ahead.
Good launch, flight lead. No joy, flight leader. Gonna have to make another pass.
Missile evaded.
Showing clean separation. Got him, Spike. Take him out. Weapon lock. Looks like a miss. Watch your aim. That's a hit. Rebel camp destroyed. Got him, Spike. Take him out. That's a miss, flight tracking weapon. No joy, flight leader. Gonna have to make another pass.
I've got visual on an enemy command center.
You got 5 minutes of fuel left, Reapers. I'm picking up multiple explosions, Flight Leader. Good luck. Fire well.
Ground target destroyed! That's a hit! Look at those fireworks!
Target locked.
Target destroyed, Captain!
Target's destroyed. Good hit, boss.
Weapon locked. Good hit. Rebel Command Center destroyed.
This is Reaper 3-1. Knocked out the target. Repeat, the weapons factory is out of business.
Count Reaper Flight, this is Oracle. Our damage assessment shows that more than 90% of the designated targets are out of commission.
This is Reaper 3-1. Do we return to base or continue to engage? Please advise.
Roger, boss. Going aggressive.
Reaper 3-1, stand by. Right now, I'm showing bogies taking off from the airfield near your position. Request that you intercept and identify all aircraft in your area.
Copy, Oracle. Moving to intercept now. Over.
Oracle, this is Reaper 3-2. I have visual on the bogies. Eyeball on a fighting echelon escorting a civilian jet. They're heading for the edge of the combat zone. Please advise.
Reaper Flight, intel suggests that the jet is General Akuya's private plane. You're clear to take out the escorts, but the private jet must not be destroyed. Do you copy?
Reaper Flight copies. We're engaging the escorts now. Stand by.
Enemy straight ahead.
Watch it, talent. He's breaking left. Select zone 4 and extend.
I'm breaking right. Line that guy up and take him out.
Reaper Flight, the General's plane is approaching the edge of the combat zone. Recommend you increase speed at once to intercept. Target locked. Watch your back, Flight Leader. Someone's got your number.
That was close.
One of your guys has racked up another kill. They'll be gunning for your job next. Reaper Flight, increase speed. The General's plane has almost left the combat zone.
Nailed him. He's finished.
That's another one for your kill total, Crenshaw.
These gophers don't know who the hell they're messing with.
You guys think you're tough? Bring it. I'll take you all down.
Warning.
released.
This way! Last one then!
Weapon locked. Crenshaw, you picked up a hostile Reaper lead. You're running out of time. Fire a warning shot across the civilian jet's nose at once. Good jig. The missile was trashed. Box 2. Looks like you missed. Launch confirmed. No joy, flight leader. Gonna have to make another pass.
Oracle, this is Reaper 1-1. All bandits are down. My scopes are clear. Rebel aircraft, this is Artemis Flight of 3 off your wing. Alter course to 120 immediately, or you will be fired upon.
Reaper flight, this is Oracle. I confirm that the General's plane is changing course.
He's a rider now. We're escorting him out of the combat zone. Casper, over and out.
Well done, Reaper flight. Flight ops has been notified and they'll have a security detail awaiting your arrival. Confirm you're clearing the combat zone and RTB at this time.
Mission accomplished, Crenshaw. We've managed to apprehend a Coulier and cripple the PGA's future operations. There's a substantial bonus for bringing the General to you in custody. Head back to the TOC for debrief. Flight ops, over and out.
Not bad for a half day's work, huh, Talon?
Not bad at all.